Welcome to Rohini College of Engineering and Technology video lecture series. In this video, we discuss about the case studies on airports. I am Professor Radhika from Chemistry Department. We know that the EIA study is used to identify, predict, evaluate and communicate information on the environment of a proposed project and to detail out the mitigation measures prior to project approval and implementation. The EIA is essentially a planning mechanism for preventing environmental problems due to an action. It ensures that the potential problems are foreseen and addressed at an early stage in the project planning and design. Thus, this will avoid costly mistakes in project implementation, either because of environmental damages that are likely to arise during project implementation or because of modifications that may be required subsequently in order to make the actions environmentally acceptable. The purpose of Environmental Impact Assessment Report is to investigate and assess the principal environmental concerns associated with the proposed airport. The scope of the environmental impact study covers both the construction phase and the operational stage of the airport, investigating and analyzing the effects of aircraft noise on institutional and residential areas, particularly at night, increased traffic congestion in the airport approaches, fire hazards, ambient air quality, surface water quality, hydrology, impact on flora and fauna, social perception and emergency preparedness. The environmental impact assessment has been prepared as an evaluation and condensation of a full environmental impact assessment of the proposed airport in the capital city Calcutta, situated in the developing country India, prepared for the government by the consulting group following the developing country India's government guidelines and the methodologies described in the environmental assessment requirements and environmental review procedures and the environmental guidelines for selected infrastructure projects. The guideline is based on the EIA, the Airport Project Feasibility Study, field visits to the airport project site and local government, capital, discussions with the local government and pertinent national government officials with the environmental responsibilities. These methods used to carry out the EIA include review of available literature, meetings with the national and local government officials, site visits to the capital city of the proposed airport and surrounding areas. The construction stage, the daily water estimated requirement for the project should not affect the supply of water to the residents in the capital city. Earthwork, soil excavation, ground preparation and concreting activities will further increase the TSP level. However, a comprehensive system of netting to be used as well as constant daily watering of the ground will mitigate the impact. Solid waste generated from the construction activities will be disposed of daily by garbage trucks. Employment opportunities and other source of income for the residents of the capital city will be generated by the project. The report has been produced to inform and facilitate the request for the environmental impact assessment regulations. In accordance with the EIA regulations, only those issues which give rise to potential significant environmental effects need to be assessed in detail with an airport project. Those matters which have been identified as potentially giving rise to significant environmental effects include surface water transport and access, air and ground noise, air quality, socio-economics and waste. Environmental impact assessment, when integrated into existing planning and decision making structure, provides additional information towards a better decision making. Project proponent must make sure that the concept of the proposed project does not contradict any developmental plans, policies or any decisions of the government prior to EIA study.